Hello everyone, this is Azrael, and as of late, I've been working a lot with the elements. And I started thinking, well, for a beginner, or hell, you might not even be a beginner, but what is one of the easiest ways to work with an element? And that's basically an elemental thought form. It's really basic, great for beginners, right? It's not heavily ritualized, it's just a lot of visualization. And what you would do is that you will face the direction where the element would be. You don't have to, but it kind of adds a little bit more of a punch. So you'd face east for air, west for water, south for fire, and north for earth. Okay. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to hold your hands kind of like in front of you like this. Now I'm holding a camera, so I can't use the other hand, but you get the idea. You close your eyes and you visualize a swirling ball of energy, okay? And as you breathe in, get that image of what you're trying to accomplish with that element. Say you're wanting to pass a test in college, right? Or school. Want some little bit of extra help. So you'll see that little swirling ball of energy fill it with yellow. One of the colors of air. And you want to, every time you breathe in, you get that idea, and then every time you breathe out, you breathe in to that little swirling ball of energy. And every time that happens, visualize that ball of energy getting bigger and bigger. And you're infusing it with that intention of passing that math test or history exam, right? And eventually, you're going to start to feel your fingers either warm up or start to tingle. Just visualize it. Make sure you try to feel it. And once it gets big enough almost to touch your hands as you're holding it, and it's filled with energy, you breathe in one more time, and then you breathe out, and you put that intention, one last intention: accomplish my task, but harm none. And then visualize, put your hands down, and visualize that ball of energy flying off into the direction of that element, so it will dissipate into the atmosphere and accomplish your goal. And you could do this as many times as you'd like. One of the things that my personal belief is, like, for example, let's say you're going to work with earth. Earth has some brownish color too, right? I would use green. Because in my mind's eye, bright colors stand out more and talk to my subconscious. So if you're going to do these elements, I would choose a color that is associated with that element, but very bright. You don't want a very weak color. You'll just let it speak to the subconscious that it's boom right there. It's so bright, it's in your face. It has its own light, so bright. Okay, and that's it. That's a simple thought form, elemental thought form. And you could do this again as many times as you like, and it'll start working. Believe it or not, you're sending that intention out into the universe, programmed with that element. So yeah. Well, thanks for listening, and I will see you guys later.